Hi, it's Alexia from LPT Medical, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the SeQual Eclipse 5. To start off, we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your package. Your cannula, your manual, an extra particle filter, this is your battery, you have your DC power supply, which is for the car. And your AC power supply, which is for the wall. This unit comes with a travel cart, it has an accessory bag so you can hold your chargers or any additional batteries. And then you have the unit itself. So now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your SeQual Eclipse 5 for first time use. So first we want to install the battery. So the battery goes directly at the back on the bottom, and it just slides right in until you hear a click. Then you're going to set it onto your travel cart. And there is a screw with a knob that you will twist in to secure the SeQual onto the travel cart. Once everything is secure, you can put on your cannula, and now it is ready to be turned on. So to power on the SeQual Eclipse 5, you're going to press this power button. So the SeQual Eclipse 5 does 1 to 9 on a pulse flow, and it does 0.5 to 3 liters per minute on a continuous flow setting. So when the light is on, it is on a pulse flow setting, and you can just bump it all the way up if you need to go higher, or press the minus button if you need to go lower. And then to switch over to continuous, you're gonna press these 3 waves. The light will shut off, and it goes up to a setting of 3, or to lower it, press the minus button. And then to power it off, simply press the power button. The SeQual Eclipse 5 is 19.3 inches high, 7.1 inches in depth, and 12.3 inches wide. The SeQual Eclipse 5 weighs 18.4 pounds. It does a pulse setting of 1 to 9, and it also does a continuous flow setting of 0.5 to 3 liters per minute continuous flow. On a setting of 2 pulse flow, you will get just over 5 hours of battery life, and on a setting of 2 liters per minute continuous flow, you will get just at 2 hours of battery life. The SeQual Eclipse 5 is great for people who need a higher range of settings, as it does 1 to 9 on a pulse setting. It also does that 0.5 to 3 liters per minute continuous, so you can use it at night with a CPAP and BiPAP. What's great about the SyQual Eclipse 5 is you can remove it from its travel cart, making it easy to carry around, or you can put it on the travel cart to pull right behind you. If you'd like to see how the SyQual Eclipse 5 compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for a portable oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to check out our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen and speak with one of our respiratory specialists so we can help find the best portable oxygen concentrator for you.